Welcome student. Now this is our another video of Xiling software. Okay, as in our previous video I have already told you this is the subject which included in our syllabus recently. So the subject name is VLSI design and EC701 is the subject code. So now we are going to learn about another experiment. This another experiment is programming of XOR gate. XOR gate, what is the statement for XOR gate? Is the statement for XOR gate is the number of odd ones is there, then output would be 1. Okay, the number of odd ones like 1, 3, 5, 7. So in this experiment we are going to learn about the XOR gate. So what would be the XOR gate statement? There is simply XOR gate statement, which is here we can see the XOR gate statement. Okay, XOR gate. So this is our XOR gate statement. As I have already told you, this is your library which the software fetched it automatically. Now also entity means IC. We are going to make a IC for XOR gate. Input is A, another input is B, and C is our output. Okay, so what would be our program? C assigned A XOR B. Simple hai. Okay, it is very simple. So now we are going to write this thing over the software. This is our project navigator IESE Xiling software. We just open it by double clicking on our desktop. Okay, now this is our Xiling software and we are going to make the new project. As I have already told you, you can choose any name of this project. So I just randomly choose double Q. Then this is your default window. Then next, add new source. Your new source is VHDL module, as I have already described you in the previous video. Now randomly choose the name. After then A, then B, then C. A is input, B is input, and C is of course your output of XOR gate. Now next, I finish this. Yes. Next. This is your summary. Excuse me. In this summary, you can see the project name is QQ and 9500. Your PC is your this is your by default VHDL module. Okay. So this is my summary. Now finish. Okay, so in this window I am going to write the program. The program is C assigned A XOR B. Okay, then I terminate the program and save the program. I save it. After then I open the syntax checker and check the syntax. As I check the syntax is okay. There is no problem in syntax. Now I will add the new source. As I have already told you in new source we are going to select the test bench waveform. Random name we are given this, then next, and then next, then finish. Okay, so this is our clock, display of clock. We just change the clock level. High clock time 30, low clock time 30. Okay, then finish. This is our window. Okay, where we select the input B. Input A is our default input. Input B is we have to select. Randomly select the input B. No, there is no issue. Okay, so you randomly select the input. Okay, so there is, if there is here 1 is your odd, but here and here 1 is your even. Okay, because this is high, this is high, this is high. So there is 2 ones. Here this is low, this is 1. So there is odd ones. So where is the output? The output would be high here. C is my output. You can see here. This is the line of output. Now you have to save the program, which you changes again. Now after then I have to change from synthesis to behavioral module. Then select this. In process I have to complete simulate behavioral. As I double click the simulate behavioral, now this is going to process and my output will be here. As I told you, the number of odd ones is high. So this is odd, so this is high. This is your low because these ones are high, these are high, so it is low. Okay, so you can see in this practical our number of odd ones is where high, the experiment is the output is high. Okay, now in process when I select the synthesis and process in process when I select synthesis, so you can see here sources behavioral, you can see here when I double click the view technology, so the entity or IC you have made for OR gate become here pop up. This pop up window show you the entity or IC. In this IC, data 0 is your input, data 1 is your input, and your C is your by default output. So this is the video, another video of Xilinx software. Okay student, so now learn this software, about sync this software and respond.